Hey, guys. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and struggling to make ends meet? Well, have no fear because ChatGPT 3 is here to help you make some extra cash. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 5 easy ways to make money using ChatGPT. And trust us, these methods are so simple even a caveman could do it. Just kidding, no offense to our caveman friends out there. But seriously, we've tried and tested these methods and can vouch for their effectiveness. So, if you want to learn how to make some extra cash without breaking a sweat, then keep watching. But before we get started, let's make one thing clear, ChatGPT is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a tool that can help you generate some extra income, but it's up to you to put in the work and dedication. Now, without further ado, let's jump into the first way to make money with ChatGPT. Freelance writing. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, there's always demand for quality content. And with ChatGPT 3, you can easily crank out articles, blog posts, and more in record time. There are many places where you can sell your freelance writing services and find clients. Some popular options include freelance job boards. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are great places to find writing gigs. Simply create a profile and start bidding on projects that interest you. As for how much you can earn as a freelance writer, it really depends on your skills, experience, and the type of work you do. Some writers charge by the word, while others charge by the hour or project. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median hourly wage for writers and authors was $24.10 in 2020. However, this figure can vary greatly depending on your specific circumstances. Creating apps. ChatGPT 3 can assist you in coming up with ideas for new app concepts, as well as help you develop the language and content for your app's description and user interface. To use ChatGPT 3 to come up with ideas for a new app concept, you can start by inputting prompts that describe the type of app you want to create. For example, you could input mobile app for tracking daily water intake to get ChatGPT 3 to generate ideas for an app that helps users track their daily water intake. You can also use ChatGPT 3 to help you develop the language and content for your app's description and user interface. Simply input prompts that describe the features and benefits of your app, and ChatGPT 3 will generate language and content that you can use in your app's description and user interface. Keep in mind that while ChatGPT 3 can assist with generating ideas and content for your app, it is ultimately up to you to turn those ideas into a fully functioning app. You will need to have some coding skills and potentially work with a team of developers to bring your app concept to life. Next up, we have affiliate marketing. If you have a website or social media following, you can use ChatGPT 3 to create product reviews and recommendations and earn a commission when your audience makes a purchase through your affiliate link. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to find products to promote. There are many companies and websites that offer affiliate programs, such as Amazon, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate. Simply sign up for their affiliate program and browse their products to find ones that align with your audience and niche. Once you've found some products to promote, you can use ChatGPT 3 to help you write compelling product reviews and share them with your audience. For example, here's a prompt you could use to write a product review. Write a 500-word review of the XYZ product, highlighting its key features and benefits, and explaining why it's worth purchasing. Be sure to include your personal experience with the product, as well as any pros and cons you've encountered. In review, you can include details such as a brief overview of the product and what it does, the key features and benefits of the product, your personal experience with the product, including any challenges or issues you've encountered, how the product compares to similar products on the market, why you think the product is worth purchasing or not. By sharing honest and informative reviews of products you've personally tried, you can help your audience make informed buying decisions and earn a commission at the same time. Just be sure to disclose that you're using affiliate links in your reviews to remain transparent with your audience. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where you don't have to worry about keeping inventory or shipping products to customers. Instead, you partner with a supplier or manufacturer who handles these tasks for you. All you have to do is market and sell the products, and the supplier takes care of the rest. ChatGPT 3 can be a helpful tool for drop shipping in a few different ways. Product research. ChatGPT 3 can help you research and find products to sell, either by suggesting ideas based on a particular niche or keyword or by generating product descriptions and specifications. Marketing and advertising. ChatGPT 3 can assist with creating marketing and advertising content, such as social media posts, emails, and ads, to help you promote your products and drive sales. Customer service. ChatGPT 3 can help you handle customer inquiries and concerns, such as answering questions about product availability, shipping times, and returns. Here's an example prompt you could use to generate product ideas for drop shipping. Using the keyword outdoor adventure, generate a list of 10 potential products that would be suitable for an online store that caters to outdoor enthusiasts. Include a brief description of each product and its potential selling points. In this case, ChatGPT 3 might suggest products such as waterproof backpacks, camping hammocks, portable water filters, and more. As for where to find products for drop shipping, there are many websites and directories that list suppliers and manufacturers who offer drop shipping services. Some popular options include Salehoo, Oberlo, and worldwide brands. You can also try reaching out directly to manufacturers and wholesalers to see if they offer drop shipping. Just be sure to do your due diligence and research the supplier before partnering with them to ensure they are reputable and reliable. Creating courses. ChatGPT 3 can help you generate lesson plans and course materials for online courses you may be interested in creating. To use ChatGPT 3 to generate lesson plans and course materials for an online course, you can start by inputting prompts that describe the topic and focus of your course. For example, you could input Beginner's Guide to Knitting to get ChatGPT 3 to generate ideas for a course on knitting for beginners. You can also use ChatGPT 3 to generate specific lesson plans and course materials, such as quizzes, exercises, and reading materials. Simply input prompts that describe the type of content you want to create, and ChatGPT 3 will generate relevant content for you to use in your course. Keep in mind that while ChatGPT 3 can assist with generating ideas and content for your course, it is ultimately up to you to turn those ideas into a fully functional course. You will need to have expertise in your course's topic, as well as instructional design skills to create an engaging and effective learning experience for your students. So there you have it, 5 easy ways to make money with ChatGPT 3. Whether you're interested in freelance writing, affiliate marketing, app creation, drop shipping, or creating your own course, there's a method on this list that can help you generate some extra income. Just remember, ChatGPT 3 is a tool that can assist you, but it's up to you to put in the work and dedication. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like it, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.